Here I am, lost in a civilization. I went too far forward. They're trying to rebuild civilization. So far, everything has not been productive. But it is okay, because we will find what we're searching for. If I could hold the damn camera right. Ugh. Drink too much damn Tiger. Drink too much damn Tiger. That's just all there is to it. Oh, hello, Liam. Hey, always smiling. You gotta love it. God, I might have got a bellyache. Shit. Eating them damn fried foods. I got to stay off at fried foods. That's just all there is to it. Is just stay off fried foods. Stick to noodles and beer, I guess. I don't know. A little bit of rice. I'm not crazy about rice like the next person. But yeah, you know, it is what it is, right? You do what you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do to survive. Sometimes what you gotta do to survive is just what you gotta do. Hello, hello. I love talking to the locals, and especially the kids. I think I've walked far enough. I ain't gonna go down that way. I'm hyperphobic. No, I'm not really. I'm out though.